Good afternoon. This is Randy Smotone with InvestSharp with your Friday, October the 23rd market update. Oil pulled back today to just under $80 a barrel. Stellar earnings numbers out of Amazon and Microsoft couldn't save the market. It trended lower throughout most of the day. The Dow closed down 109 points to close back below the 10,000 mark to 9,972. Only 2 of the 16 sectors we follow finished in the green today. Both the software index and the retail index were up over 1% today. The software index showed the most strength. The weakest sectors were the industrial transportation index and the semis, both down over 3% on the day. Some of the names you might want to check out in the software and programming sector are Bottom Line Technologies, ticker EPAY, Lender Processing, ticker LPS, MicroStrategy, ticker MSTR, Evolving Systems, ticker EVOL, Longtop Financial Technologies, ticker LFT, Infosys, ticker INFY, SourceFire, ticker FIRE, and Checkpoint Software, ticker CHKP. So if we take a look at the Dow chart, you can we just keep hanging around just the same old level, just below that 10,100 or so. Again, kind of this sideways action. So let's go over and take a look at the S&P. Let's take a look at the 60-minute chart on the S&P. So we've kind of back down to this 1,075 area. It's kind of what we pushed off of today. I'm not sure if we still have lower to go. It looks like that we are still kind of got the MACD still kind of going down here, so I can't tell if we're going to be reversing anytime soon or not. Looks like we're trying to hold near that area. Like I talked about earlier, I wasn't real surprised that we went down and filled this gap right here on this orange circle. I figured we would, because they're like magnets. So let's go over and look at the VIX, the volatility index, which is kind of the measure. It doesn't really measure fear in the market, but that's what some people call it. So let's look at it. Again, we have this kind of sideways action down in here where the market's kind of either losing steam or it's building up steam so we can go higher. I don't know which. That'll remain to be seen. Let's go over and take a look at the current market signals at the InvestSharp website. And we follow the point and figure charts on the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P. All 3 charts remain on a buy signal. And there were no changes in the point and figure price objectives today on these charts. I want to go over and actually look at the point and figure charts for the Dow today and the Nasdaq. So now we're currently looking at the point and figure chart for the Dow. And I wanted to point out that we don't have much further to go here, and we will print a sell signal on the Dow. Once we print 9,900, we will go back onto a sell signal on the Dow, so it's something to keep our eye on. And then let's go over to the Nasdaq. Let's update that chart again. Okay, so we don't have a whole lot further to go here. Once we print 2,130 on the Nasdaq, we will go on a sell signal on the Nasdaq. So we definitely want to keep our eyes on that. So that's really it for today. Have a great weekend, and remember to always invest sharp.